Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC. Before we start, smash the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you do not miss the accurate technical analysis. As you can see, yesterday we have a weekly close and we've got indecision candle. However, we got stopped exactly to the resistance level, which I was talking about, $31,500-ish. As soon as we got this accumulation zone, beginning of this year, the first video of the January, as I said, first level is going to be 30,000, 32 all the way up to $36,000. So still, as long as we do not lose the important levels based on lower time frames, especially on the daily time frame, I'm holding my buyers. So after this accumulation, we saw massive over 75% pump in the market. A daily time frame, based on a daily time frame, bullish setup came at around $19,200 and $500. We pumped all the way up to this 0.618, a bit of pullback with a V-shaped recovery, and we saw the first target level, which was at $30,000. So as I said, 32 is not really far. However, we got a rejection right from yesterday as well. We can see on the lower time frame, we get rejecting from this level, and we might see a pullback in the market. However, as long as we do not lose, based on a daily time frame, two important levels, $28,100, $28,000. The next level is going to be $25,200 is going to be extremely important. Losing this level may create a panic in the market. However, it is slightly early for us to talk about at this stage this level, because lower time frames are heavily under the bull's control. Since we managed to break the daily time frame resistance, $19,500 and $200, we reached to the target number one, which was a $30,000. That gave 55%. With the recent pump, we saw over 60% pump in the market for spot back holders. BCH, which I posted recently, keep an eye on to BCH. Pullback offers a buy. As I said, on the 4-hour time frame, exactly from the top, we came right on the daily time frame, slightly consolidated at around here, and we saw massive pump in the first place, 25% pump all the way up to this level that I'm going to show you. On the higher time frame, you can see over 360 days of accumulation, and then we saw massive pump in the market, and most of the people started FOMOing at around above 240 and 50 level. I made the first update, pullback from the exact local top, and then daily support held, and from there 25% pump in the market. However, as I said yesterday, massive 70% pump from the daily time frame, rejecting from weekly, that you can see weekly resistance plus 0.67, the higher time frame Fibonacci. Also, we've got value area high are the strong resistance, so which I mentioned that yesterday. And as you can see, exact from the weekly time frame, we are rejecting. So far, we saw massive over 70% pump in the market since I gave this signal from the daily support. Without claiming monthly level, that's going to be 380. It's going to be early for us to talk about 450, as well as the $550, which I mentioned in yesterday's tweet. We already pumped a lot, and these resistances are heavy. So as I said, above 618 fib, monthly resistance, and plus, as you can see, we've got value area high as well. That will give us a next target level, 450 all the way up to $550. However, at this stage, I'm expecting a slightly pullback in the market. If you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing to you, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on with the scalping analysis, we had a 2 volume profiles. I made a lot of updates, and it took over 72 hours to break this level, claim it as a support, and to reach to the target level. We closed this setup with a 3.5 arc. On the 15-minute chart, you can see how we broke with the first candle, retested it, and the next candle we closed above this resistance. Also at the same time, we broke point of control from both of the Boolean profiles, and then to value area high. The last level, which I said, if we're going to break this level, highly likely that we're going to reach to the target. That gave 3.5 arc trade. So stop loss, if you want to use the stop loss, as you can see, I put it slightly lower this candle, as well as I covered two of these value area high levels as well. And as you can see, even with this dump, it didn't stop us and then the next leg straight to the target. If you are interested for this type of scalping as well as the swing setups, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8. Moving on with an ETH analysis. Ethereum at the moment is a bit struggling on the daily time frame, even though we've got slightly bullish structure. But in the first place, again, if we're going to see a rejection, we might sweep this low, and these lows also might get cleared, and then we can see this type of price action. 1800 is extremely important. However, as soon as we had an entry based on a mid time frame 1775 below 1800, we saw massive pump on the ETH as well. That was 11% plus pump in the market. So as I said, the target number one was $1,900, $1,950 all the way up to $2,000, clearing 2,000. We had the next target level was $2,100. However, at the moment we're a bit struggling. So the important levels are going to be this as well as this Fibonacci levels. And we may sweep this low as well, and we can see this type of price action. Before we move on to BTC analysis, if you enjoyed this video so far, please smash the like button for me and comment below with your thoughts and questions. BTC on the 4-hour time frame. This fixed range from the last consolidation, as you can see, that's a confluence with a support line plus 0.67, 0.618, the golden pockets. Also, this is extremely important that you saw first pump from the lower line of this support, and then the most important level is going to be the previous point of control. If we're going to lose this level, 2-hour as well as the 4-hour time frames will be heavily under the bear's control. However, two important levels above us, 31,200, 31,500, breaking this level, 32,000 all the way up to, as I said, $34,000, but at the moment is a bit struggling. If we're going to see a further rejection, the first target level is going to be 29,200 all the way up to $28,000 are going to be the next target level. That both of these lows going to get cleared. Based on a 2-hour time frame, one has to be careful at around $30,200. At the moment, 2-hour managed to get back from the consolidation to the bulls zone. However, as I said, $30,200 and $400 are going to be extremely important. Losing this level, it's going to be fast dump to the target level. Breaking this level, as I said, 32 followed by all the way up to 33, and then next level is going to be $34,000. However, swing position still open. Once we managed to break on the 4-hour time frame, $27,000. We saw, as I said, $30,000 and then $32,000, but we reached all the way up to $31,000, nearly $500, and that gave us over 15% pump in the market. And if you're doing a leverage, you do the math for yourself. And we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.